Hello, welcome back to Wildflower Pro. Today I will show you these little elderflowers to you. Elderflowers grow on the elder tree and their color is wild, little bit creamy. The elder tree is a small tree. It grows between 15 and 30 feet tall. This tree flowers between May and June. They smell floral and creamy. One more thing, if you're looking for elderflowers, don't mistake cow parsley. Yesterday we were looking for elderflowers. Today we are going to make some elderflower cordial. We only need about 20 heads. There are a lot of trees with white flowers, so try and be careful what you pick. Now we are going to make some elderflower cordial. Today I will collect these elderflowers. They smell amazing. Then I will leave them like this. Elderflower, there was a lot of insects, so I am putting them on the sun, on the ground. So what we need today for elderflower cordial, we need 3 lemons. Now we are going to zest the lemons. Yes, I peel up all the zest. Now I'm putting on the bottom of my cup. Oops. Yeah. The next bit is cut up these 3 lemons. Now I'm cutting the lemon into the slice. I'm taking off these bad bits like this. Oops. Yeah. Oops. So we need these lemons because of the juice. We need their juice. Ooh. If you don't have citric acid, you can use this lemon as a citric acid. So all 3 lemons slice up. Now we are going to add elderflowers on this. I think there is no insect in it, so that's good. I think all they are gone while we are video this recipe. So I'm checking again. I don't want to kill any insects. While I am collecting this elderflower today, there was a lot of insects in it, so be sure you put the elderflower like this so insect can be able to run out. So we don't want to kill insect, isn't we? That's very important. So as we are continue like this, I am about put here. I didn't count, but about 20 heads of elderflowers here. They smell amazing. So I'm checking more. So it's best that you are using fresh when you collect it. So I collect there in the morning. Now I'm putting here. So, and also I wait very long time insect gone. So today was very nice day. I collect this and the weather was very sunny and shiny, very hot. Now I put all elderflowers like this, as you see here. There is, whoops, that's the elderflowers all finished. Now I'm going to add lemons. Lemons we need because of their juice. And when I search it, lemon juice has lots of citric acid in it, so I think we can use lemon juice as a citric acid. So I am adding lots of lemon slices now. Yeah, that's what I am saying. Today was very nice day. And while I am looking at the flower tree, and I am also see lots of birds, so be careful and please don't interrupt them so much and take as what you need. I needed 20 heads, so I just only get 20 heads of elderflowers because I didn't want to bother the birds so much, because these elderflower trees are also their home, so they can be little get annoyed. I don't want to make them annoyed, and I do love them so much. Also, the birds need these elderflowers later on. These elderflowers after elderflower fruit gonna be, so the birds going to eat them. So let's get what we need and don't take more. So far what I did, I put 3 lemon zest on the bottom, 20 elderflower head as you see here, and I cut 3 lemon slices. Then I put 3 lemon slices on like this. So at then what I'm going to do, I prepare sugar syrup. I boil 1 kilo sugar into the 1 liter of hot water. Then I boiled it. Now I am adding my elderflower lemon mix. Oh, it's smelling very nice. Yeah, I think that will be gonna be awesome. So I hope today your day is very nice. Yeah, I finished Elderflower Cordial today. I will wait 48 hours, then I will sieve and I will get out the flowers and I will drink the juice.